Hello friends, welcome to Abhi's Reviews. In this video, I am going to compare one of the most popular adapters, universal travel adapters in Amazon. So which is GoTrippin universal adapter. So there is one category, premium universal travel adapter is there, and a universal travel adapter normal GoTrippin is there actually. Okay. So there is not much price difference, though. Then also I will compare what are the important features of both the items. Both are looking awesome, and the use also really good actually. I will suggest that any of it is also good, but let's see what is the benefit of having a premium one over a normal one and all those stuff. If normal one also not an issue actually. Okay, so in the box you can get, there is a pouch also provided with the inner cushioning effect is provided to protect the thing. So that is a really good, that carrying pouch looks good. It will be available with both the items. And there will be a warranty card provided. You have to register your product first, then you will enter into the warranty period of that particular stuff. And there will be a user manual provided there. Inside that there will be how to use, like suppose there is some of the instructions how we can use and all that kind of stuff is provided in the user manual itself actually. Okay, and from the cover itself you can see the major difference is that there are two USB charging ports are there. Here also it is available, but the thing is that the normal one which is having 2.1 ampere, which is a really good specification, and 2.4 ampere for the premium one. So charging capacity is a little bit different compared to that. Other than that, it will be like common you can use for this more than 150 plus countries you can use it. The different types of plug-in options in different countries is mentioned here. I will show you like what are the exact things and all. Okay. And both the items I have provided the link in video description with a very good offer price. You can purchase it. Actual price was written around 1499 something, you can see here. Okay, you can get in a very less amount this particular item. Okay, and there are some things you shouldn't be using like dryer, iron box, all those high wattage kind of things. These are the things are good to go. These are the things we should be using as an international students or working abroad or travel tourism or anything actually. Okay, now let's see the normal adapter actually. Okay, so this is the normal adapter. This is very sturdy and very premium finish is there. So here you can see there is a sliding option is provided. This is a slot kind of design. So this is I just push to here, that is for the UK. If I want for Europe, I have to like press here. So automatically Europe option will be coming. I can plug it in and I can plug it the devices which I need to plug it in actually. Okay, then if I want to for USA and Australia, I have to press this and push this. So this is for USA and Australia, this particular stuff works. Okay, so this is how it is used, and there are two USB ports which is 2.1 ampere. You can charge your phone, tablet, whatever USB charging supports actually, like according to specifications. So you can see that operating voltage will be around 110 to 250, like here it is something will be there. Yeah, 110 volt to 250 volt will be the operating voltage and everything that you can get more into the. So there is a universal plug-in point. You can plug in Indian things or any other places. This is a universal type actually. Don't worry about that. So this is a normal adapter which is very premium, which I can say compared to the other things available in the market. This is the second one actually. You can see 2.4 ampere port is mentioned and the premium design is there. The material is so good and there are different sliding options. Okay, so suppose I just press and slide it back here. Okay, so this is for the Europe actually, so you can use it for the Europe. And if I slide here this thing, so this will come for the UK option. So there is other individual sliding option. This will come for the USA and Australia purposes actually. Okay, so this is the best thing about that. Europe, Australia, US and everything will be there. This is also support 150 plus countries. Compare the comparison of this both the things, it is quite heavier, little bit heavier than that. Premium build quality, this is also quite premium, which I can say. And the major difference is that the charging port is 2.4 ampere it was supporting actually. Up to 6 ampere it supports, I guess, total capacity of these things actually. And this material and everything, it's a long lasting thing actually. If you like suppose my suggestion, if you are going for studies, you will be spending at least 2 to 3 years there actually, even for the jobs also. So you should be having a premium one. And one not how much adapters we have to buy, like at least 3 adapters you should be buying, because we never know, something happens to one adapter, we have to use the other adapter. And there is an extension board, 1 or 2 extension board also required, because you can connect to the adapter and use your normal appliance, like 3 to 4 items you can plug in and use it. So I'll be providing one of the coolest extension boards also in the video description. From there you can check it out actually. Okay, so this is all about the comparison between GoTrippin Premium and universal adapter normal one. So both are excellent choice. According to your budget, you can choose it actually. Okay. So the links are in the video description. You will get a discounted price for these items. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.